How to make a crew in Blox Fruits. So first, just open up your Roblox, then open up Blox Fruits right here. So I'm just gonna click on play and wait for it to load. So once you're here on the page, so over here on the home page, just make sure that you pick pirates, since only pirates can create their own crew right here. So it says that create your own pirate crew. So just simply click on pirates and joining right here. Then you'll see this skull icon just besides the settings icon or the gear icon. Just simply click on that. And this will pop up, create crew. So just input the name that you want. So I'm just going to put mine. So that's the name of my crew. And here for the logo link, you just need to copy the decal link. And to do that, just open up your browser. Once you're on your browser, just simply click on the create right here on the top. Then this will load. Just wait for it to load. Once it's all loaded up, just simply click on the store button on the top navigation bar. Then this will load, then go to images. Now just browse images that you want. So let's say you want a straw hat image, like here. Then just simply click on get decal. And as you can see, this item has been added to your inventory. So now I'm just going to go back and create a new tab and go to roblox.com again. Then this will load. I'm just going to go to my inventory right here on the left side. And I'm just going to go to decals. As you can see, I have Straw Hat Pirate right here. Just simply click on it. Then wait for it to load. And copy the link here at the top. So copy it, Control C. Then I'm just going to go back to Roblox. And input the decal link right there. Then click on create. And as you can see, the logo has been added. And now you just simply need to click on the create button. So just keep in mind that you will need to be level 300 plus so that you can create your own crew. And that's how you basically make a crew in Blox Fruits.